way to pick up my motorcycle from my friend that I left the bike at his house for about 4 days now. I actually laid it down. I was going too fast, so I ended up having to slide, and I tried sliding and it worked out in my favor, thank God. And yeah, so I laid the bike down, the tank scratched. I'm on my way to pick it up right now. Let's see. Bro. No, I meant like right here, but you're good. You want me to go in front?
No, I thought you said you were going to go in front, something about the light.
Alright guys, so here are the few things wrong with my motorcycle. We got a dented gas tank. The clutch used to sit up here. Now it sits down there. And the mirror holder broke off. The horn and all that, the assembly, it all just, the wires just broke off. I got a scratch right here on my headlight. Other than that, that's it. Right now today we're gonna try to get this dent out of here with the dent remover kit. Costs like 15 bucks on Amazon.